Imagine a future where traffic congestion is a thing of the past. A future where you can soar above the city, reducing your commute time and minimizing your carbon footprint. This future is closer than you think, thanks to a groundbreaking partnership between two industry giants, Toyota and Joby Aviation. 800. Toyota, renowned for its commitment to sustainability and innovation, has joined forces with Joby Aviation, a pioneer in electric air taxi technology. Together, they are revolutionizing the way we travel. 800. Joby's electric air taxis are designed to be quiet, efficient, and environmentally friendly. They can take off and land vertically, making them ideal for urban environments. 800. The interior of these aircraft is spacious and comfortable, offering passengers a luxurious flying experience. With large windows, passengers can enjoy breathtaking views of the city below. 800. Toyota's expertise in automotive manufacturing and technology has been instrumental in the development of Joby's air taxis. By sharing knowledge and resources, the two companies are accelerating the path to commercial air taxi services. 800. In a historic moment, Joby's electric air taxi successfully completed its first international flight in Japan. This milestone brings us one step closer to a future of sustainable air travel. 800. Imagine boarding an air taxi at a vertiport, located conveniently in urban areas. You'll be whisked away to your destination, bypassing traffic and reducing travel time. 800. The potential benefits of electric air taxis are immense. They can reduce traffic congestion, improve air quality, and create new opportunities for economic growth. 800. As we strive for a more sustainable future, electric air taxis offer a glimpse of what's possible. By embracing innovation and working together, we can shape a world where clean, efficient, and convenient transportation is accessible to all. 3rd. Highlight the environmental benefits of electric air taxis. Emphasize the reduced carbon emissions and noise pollution compared to traditional aircraft. 800. Discuss the economic impact of this technology. Explore the potential job creation and economic growth associated with the development and deployment of air taxi services. 800. Address potential challenges and safety concerns. Briefly touch on the regulatory hurdles and safety protocols that need to be in place for widespread adoption of air taxis.